The 2013 Expedition. Powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, keyless entry, running boards, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel ABS, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats, auto-off headlights, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, fog lamps, MP3 player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.